What is computer networking? Computer networking is the system that connects two or more devices, like computers, phones, servers, or even smart gadgets, so they can exchange information and share resources. These connections can be made through physical cables, like Ethernet, or wirelessly through technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or satellites. Networking allows us to share files and documents easily, communicate instantly through emails, chats, or video calls, access the Internet from anywhere in the world, use shared devices like printers or storage, and even run powerful applications like cloud computing and online gaming. A LAN connects devices in a small, limited area, like your home, school, or office. It's fast, reliable, and usually private. For example, when multiple computers in a school lab are connected to the same Wi-Fi, that's a LAN. A wide area network connects devices across large geographical areas, even across continents. The Internet itself is the biggest wide-area network. Businesses, governments, and organizations rely on wide-area network to stay connected globally. A metropolitan area network is larger than a local area network, but smaller than a wide area network. It covers a whole city or a metropolitan region. Think of it like a citywide network connecting universities, government buildings, or transport systems. A campus area network is built to connect multiple local area network within a campus, like a university, college, or large company headquarters. It allows different buildings to share one centralized network.